are already on clue number 8 of our year-long mystery crochet along, Indivisible. This month we are working gobsmackingly gorgeous cables. Cables symbolize the beauty of connection, weaving individual strands into a unified whole. They remind us that our lives are enriched and strengthened by the relationships that we cultivate. These crochet cables create a distinctive, knotty, rope-like appearance that really adds such a rich texture and an intricate detail to this clue. And they're created with just a few simple stitches. For this clue, we're using our smooth and creamy butter colorway. This is a warm and inviting shade, reminiscent of smooth, creamy, fresh churned butter, just like my grandma used to make. This gentle colorway exudes a sense of comfort and coziness and really radiates a subtle golden glow. You can download this month's clue and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. Our special stitches are really fun this month, so here's how you work those. So we'll start with our back post double crochet. So we're going to work around the post of our previous stitch. So go ahead and start your double crochet, but instead of working into the top here like normal, you reach around and you're going to grab at the post of that next stitch and just work your double crochet around that. So that helps to create some texture. Then I'll work a regular double crochet just to move over a bit. So then in this stitch, we're going to work a front post double crochet. So same thing, except we're working around the front of this post. So just work your double crochet around that. So this one's going to pop off the front. That back post is going to pop off the back. And then if you want to work a front post triple crochet, same thing, except you start with 2 yarn overs since you're working a triple or treble crochet. And you're just going to work it around the front of the post of that next stitch. For some added texture, almost like a 3D look. I hope you have a wonderful time making this beautiful clue, my friend. Be sure to hop back next month for clue number 9. Happy crocheting!